Hi, my name is Stacy Vogeltans. I'm an elder law attorney with Ingermeyer and Rogers Law Firm. Today in this video, we're going to talk about how to protect assets from the cost of long-term care. Most people are a little shocked to find out how much a nursing home can cost. Around our area, nursing homes are upwards of $10,000 per month. If you haven't done any pre-planning, it can be quite a shock to find out that all of your assets are going to need to be spent down before Medicaid can kick in and help pay for that $10,000 a month bill. One of the first options we like to explore with clients is long-term care insurance. This is an insurance policy that will cover the monthly bill at the nursing home or assisted living if you have that policy. Unfortunately, a lot of people have waited too long to get long-term care insurance, and it either becomes too expensive or they do not qualify because of pre-existing health conditions. There is still another option, and it's what we do here in our office. We use irrevocable trusts to set aside assets so that some of the assets will be preserved and protected should anyone need to go into an assisted living or nursing home. Now, this irrevocable trust is different than the living trust you might have as part of an ordinary estate plan. An irrevocable trust normally isn't set up until somebody is in their mid-70s. The reason for that is there are restrictions on how that money can be used once it moves into the irrevocable trust. It's almost as though the assets you put in the irrevocable trust are being set aside as an inheritance for the children. Once they are set aside, mom and dad can't access them anymore. So we wouldn't put your checking account into an irrevocable trust because you need to access that every day. But what we might be able to put in is life insurance policies or some investment accounts that you're not drawing any money out of. Another really good option to put into an irrevocable trust is your house. So even though that goes in the name of an irrevocable trust, mom and dad still get to live there, they still pay the property taxes, the heat and electric. Really nothing changes in their day-to-day life. Now, once those assets are put into the trust, they just sit there. I like to describe it as them sitting in limbo. The kids aren't getting at them yet. They're gonna wait mom and dad pass away to get their inheritance. And mom and dad have set them aside knowing that it's going to be an inheritance. In order for those assets to be protected from the cost of long-term care, protected from the nursing home, we need to wait until 5 years have passed. After 5 years have passed, all of the assets held in the irrevocable trust are completely protected from a Medicaid application and are also protected from a state recovery, meaning that what we've set aside will go to the children. There's no way that it'll have to go to the nursing home. If this is a topic that interests you and you'd like to learn more about how you set up an irrevocable trust and how the terms of the irrevocable trust work, please contact our office today and I'd be happy to discuss that with you. Thanks so much for watching.